If you have issues with mobile data not working properly on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then first of all we can go to settings and let's choose connections. First and foremost, you should check if the airplane mode is enabled. Sometimes we can turn it on by accident and we are not even aware of that, so just make sure that it is off. If that is not the case, if it's disabled and it still doesn't work, then we can go to SIM Manager. You want to make sure that the SIM that you wish to use for mobile data is enabled. And besides that, here we have preferred SIMs, so you want to make sure that it is not disabled, or actually you want to make sure that the correct SIM is selected. If you have just one SIM, then of course this is an easy choice, just select your SIM card over here. Besides that, you can open mobile networks, and you should be able to find the network mode. If you have switched off 5G, then this can be also the reason why you have issues with mobile data, why the mobile data might be slow or not working at all. So at least just for now, just temporarily, you can switch back to 5G in case you switched it before. And over here we also have the data roaming. By default, we have this option set to national roaming only. And if you, for example, turned it off and it doesn't work, if the mobile data doesn't work, then of course you want to set it to national roaming only. All networks is not really necessary because this one is used for accessing mobile data when you are abroad. Alright, so if this didn't help as well, you can go to data usage and you can, for example, turn off data saver in case it is enabled. Besides that, here in the mobile section, we can also find the billing cycle and the data warning, which can be the reason, for example, why mobile data turns off automatically after some time. So you want to make sure that there is no limit set up in case it shouldn't be, of course, because if you actually set it up, then you don't have to change anything. If none of this actually helped, what you can also do is to go back to settings, and we're gonna scroll all the way down and open general management. Then we can choose reset, and you should be able to find reset mobile network settings. If you have more than one SIM, then you should also be able to choose which SIM you want to reset. So you want to select the relevant SIM and then choose reset settings button and then confirm your choice, etc. and finalize this process. This reset actually helps quite a bit most of the time, so you can give it a try. And last but not least, remember that you can always simply reboot your smartphone. If you don't know how to do that, you can simply press the power button and volume down button at the same time. Just press and hold it, I mean. If you just press it, then you will take a screenshot, and then you should be able to press restart option over here. So reboot your phone and make sure that it is all running again. And of course, last but not least, I didn't mention that, but you can also try to contact your service provider or carrier and ask them if there are any issues on their side, because there can be some server outages or something, and this can be the reason why you don't have mobile data. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.